Iconic sights, the bustling streets of London, and a public transit system that simply works. Truly a city with a story to tell, just not to me, at least not today anyways, because I'm headed out on a road to a very special place. The world headquarters here is where the locals are still proving they can make the best brake pads in the world. EBC produces 100% of their brake pads in-house, and it's a facility that's state-of-the-art. Still privately owned, still a world leader in manufacturing of brake pad components, meet Andy Freeman. He's the head of research and development, also the son of founder and owner Andy Freeman.
Hey Adam, what's up, man?
Gannon, what's up, buddy? How's it going? So EBC was established in 1983 by my father, Andy Freeman. He was passionate about motorcycles, and his grandfather raced motorcycles as well. He raced in the Isle of Man TT. It's kind of a heritage, a passion for motorcycles running through the business. We make disc brakes for pretty much anything that moves on the planet, right from go-karts and push bikes up to obviously motorcycles, cars, trucks, SUVs. We also make commercial vehicle brakes, so for diggers, earth movers, things like that. And also lots of industrial applications, so things like wind farms. We also actually made the pads and discs for the first ever Batmobile. Pretty much everything in between EBC kind of caters for. So that's kind of what makes us unique, I guess. So there's a lot of things that actually people probably don't know EBC Brakes for, but that we do have a fantastic and really wide product range with over 30,000 SKUs across the different ranges. We've got some fantastic new products coming out. Performance brake calipers, so multi-piston, aluminium, high-performance brake calipers for track day enthusiasts, guys who drive fast on the street, also guys who just want an aesthetic upgrade, spend a lot of money on the rest of the car and they want a caliper that's going to look fantastic, but also give the performance as well. Where we actually have just launched a range of two-piece floating brake discs. For vehicles, performance vehicles where they might be fitted as standard, so things like the Evo 10, the Nissan GTR, those kind of really high performance vehicles where EBC in the past has offered pads, but we haven't offered a disc solution to those. So really kind of looking at the brake system and working back inwards from there.
The EBC Brakes world headquarters is massive. We're talking 180,000 square feet in size, and for good reason. They keep 98% of all the products that they make under one roof. After the brake pads are manufactured, they're inspected by a professional, and then they're sent to shipping and receiving to be packaged and sent out around the world to over 120 countries. By the time they make it to this part of the game, these things are ready to rock and roll.
I love England! I'm moving here. Nice stuff, man.